And here's the directions. So what I've got to do is I've got to get these little feet on both sides. Once I do that, I can lay the table down and I can roll it into position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one side at a time. And the first thing I got to do is I got to unlock this side. So that pops it open. Now I'm going to pull up on these babies right here. And then this is going to lock in there. I'm going to lock that in there. Now over here is where I'm going to attach. So now this is pretty much locked into place. I'm ready to go. Over here I have my pieces. Here's one roller. And the way it works is I've got to put this on here, and then I'm going to put it on there. It's not too hard. I've got 2 wrenches to use, and it should be pretty easy. When we put it together, we're going to put washers on both sides. There's going to be a clamp on both sides. So first we'll do this side, then we'll do that side. All right, here we go. Here we are. I've got to put this on here, and then I'm going to slide this through like that. So now it's set on both sides. I'm going to hold it, and I've got to grab this other side. And I'm going to slide these 2 through it. Bam, done. Like that. Now it's kind of setting there. Now all I have to do is I'm going to put a washer on either side. Then I'm going to come in, and I'm going to just put these right on there. We had one fall off here, but we'll grab it, put it there, and we're just going to put it on there. All right, so that's all there is to it. I mean, it ain't that complicated. Now we got to get a wrench. So here we are. I'm going to tighten it up. Tighten her up. Got one for this side here, and one here. And I'm just going to get it nice and snug. That's going to tighten her up. Get over here, snug it up, nice and tight. One more time here, and that's it. Now, feel it, see how it looks? So as you can see, now we've got our wheels on there. This is it. Now we got to do it for 4 times. We got to do this 4 times. So I don't know if I'm going to bore you with all 4 times, but hopefully you can see it all. So we take this, I'm going to put her on here. I'm going to take the washer, put it on here, slide it through all the way. It's going to come out the other side there, right? And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to slide this here like that. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to get my washer on here. Putting the washer on. Washer on. Then I got to find the hole. And I slide that through. Then I'm going to push on both sides here so it stays straight. And I'm going to grab this one here and I'm going to push it on top. And then I'm going to hold it. All right. Then I got to get the washer on this side. Washer here. Then we're going to put our little nuts on. Once we get the nuts on, then we're stabilized. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to tighten her down. Grab my thing. This one goes on the back one. Get on there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and here we go. You want to get it tight. Don't want it coming off. And there we go. And twisting her. Getting tight. So you want to make sure that they're nice and tight. All right, so we got one side done. Now I can lean it this way and do the other side. All right, now what you're going to see is this is just one side. So I'm going to tilt it all the way up and just set it down. So it should just come right up. Here we go. Whoops. There we go. And now I'm just going to set it right there. So now I can wheel it out of there. I'm going to lift it. Just walk it. Look how easy this thing is to do. You're going to go this way. I got to unlatch this. And then this will just fall forward. And then we're going to lock these. Lock this one. Basically, it's the exact same procedure that I did on the other legs. So you guys can watch it in fast motion. And then we're just going to pop it this way. Voila. And then he's going to roll it over. Chicken, ling-a-ding-a-ling-a-ding-ding. That's it. That seems to be pretty good. I'm imagining we just go like that. And that sets that on there. Now, I'm not sure how this connects, but I think this is the only way that it connects. All right? That seems to be the way we do it. So then these, apparently, they just slide down in there like this. Now, I don't know. I have no idea what that is. But this is going to probably be what holds it together. Can I slide that in there? All right. Oh, here we go. Then we pull this down there. Tightens it down, I guess. Something like that. Bring this over here. I'm just going to tighten this baby down. I'm thinking that's it. It looks like we got her set up. I mean, brand new. Now, I guess you can lock the spots by going like that. Last two locks. That one. Pull this one out, lock it. All right, we got them all locked out, and I think we're ready to play a little bit of ping pong. Let's do it. Oh, 7-all.